Welcome to Satara Ka Safar. Today we'll be exploring the emotional, intuitive, and deeply protective personality of Cancer. We'll dive deep into their traits, strengths, weaknesses, career opportunities, love life, and health predictions. Let's begin. Cancer, governed by the moon, is known for being emotional, sensitive, and highly protective of their loved ones. Often misunderstood due to their complex personality, Cancer natives hide their true feelings, only revealing their vulnerability to those they trust the most. Cancer individuals tend to take a defensive approach, focusing on securing and protecting themselves and their loved ones. They often express emotions quickly, driven by a need to protect their family and friends from harm. The symbol for Cancer is the crab, which reflects its nature perfectly. Crabs can retreat into their shells when they feel insecure, but will display their true personality once they feel safe. This sign has a strong need for security and can be incredibly protective. Cancer individuals are incredibly sensitive and emotionally driven. While they often appear tough on the outside, internally they can be deeply hurt and scarred by the smallest emotional injury. They might come across as firm and self confident, but they also need a sense of security and comfort, especially from their family. They're incredibly loyal and protective, often forming deep emotional bonds with loved ones. At times, they can be moody, introverted, and emotionally distant when they feel threatened or vulnerable. Cancerians are often distant thinkers, influenced strongly by their emotions and intuition. They have a good memory and are receptive to spiritual or emotional experiences, which play a big role in shaping their thoughts. They often find themselves mentally preparing for various emotional experiences. Cancerians are deeply romantic and incredibly loyal partners. They crave security and love, whether they are male or female. While they may come off as emotionally volatile at times, their desire to nurture and protect their loved ones remains a strong characteristic. Cancerians can be excessively sensitive, moody, and prone to self pity. They may become withdrawn or defensive when feeling hurt. Their intense loyalty can lead to excessive dependence on others, making them prone to emotional burnout. They can also become emotionally manipulative or easily swayed by the opinions of others. Cancer natives thrive in careers where they can nurture or protect others. Their sensitive and emotional nature makes them excellent in jobs related to caregiving, hospitality, and services where empathy is key. Jobs in healthcare, counseling, and education are great for them. They also excel in businesses that require long term security, such as real estate or food and beverage industries. Moreover, their love for nature and comfort can lead them to careers in gardening, hotel management, and even domestic supply businesses. Some career suggestions include real estate agent, family oriented businesses, healthcare or counseling, hospitality, hotels and catering, gardening and nurture conservation, art related industries like painting or craftsmanship. Their main desire is to protect their loved ones, particularly family and children. They have a strong longing to create a safe environment for others, especially those they care about. However, they can be prone to emotional stress and require a strong support system to feel grounded. Cancer's health is often linked to their digestive system, especially their stomach and chest area. Due to their emotional sensitivity, they may experience issues like indigestion, chest pains, or even skin problems from emotional stress. It is crucial for Cancer natives to maintain a balanced emotional and physical lifestyle to avoid such issues. We hope this deep dive into Cancer has given you a better understanding of their emotional, personal, and professional dynamics. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Satara Ka Safar for more updates and astrological insights. See you in our next video, and until then, stay safe and protected under the stars.